Good morning students. As in previous video, I continued the chapter Weathering the Storm in Ersama, in which I told you how Prasant, a young man, had gone to his friend's house 18 kilometers away from his house. He wanted to spend some days there, but in the evening, all of a sudden, a super cyclone came and destroyed the lives of people, animals, and many houses were destroyed, many trees were fallen down. There was a great destruction. It was heavy rain and the wind was blowing very fast. As Prasant saw this destruction, he was in confusion. He was in doubt whether he would be able to meet his parents or the family members there. Students, up to this part you have studied. Now see the further part. Please open your book, all of you, at 38. Now see. Two days later, which seemed to Prasant like 2 years, the rain ceased and the rainwater slowly began to recede. Ceased? Ceased means stopped. Ceased means stopped. 2 days, for 2 days continuously the rain rain was falling, and after 2 days the rain stopped. And what happened? Let's see. 2 days later, which seemed to Prasant like 2 years, the rain ceased and the rainwater slowly began to recede. Recede means decrease. Recede means decreased. Now decrease. Now 2 days continuously it was raining, and after that the rain stopped and the water level was now decreasing slowly. Then what happened? Began to recede. Prasant was determined to seek out his family without further delay. Prasant decided that he would seek his family members without delay. And what he had done, let's see. But the situation was still dangerous, and his friend's family pleaded with Prasant to stay back a little while longer, but Prasant knew he had to go. The family member of Prasant's friend requested Prasant, pleaded means requested. Pleaded means requested. The family members of Prasant's friend requested him to stay for a while, but Prasant had decided to leave that place and to go in search of his family members in his village. See the next part. He equipped himself with a long sturdy stick. Equipped means provided with. He had taken with him a long sturdy stick. Sturdy means strong. Sturdy means strong. Prasant had taken a strong stick in his hand, and then he started on his 18 kilometers expedition. Expedition means journey. Prasant took a long, strong stick to find out the level of the water, and he started 18 kilometers journey to his village. Back to his village through the swollen flood. It was a journey he could not forget. He constantly had to use his stick. Continuously means continuously. Prasant continuously had to use his stick to locate the road. With that stick, he was finding out the road, where it was and how deep the water was. To determine whether the water was most shallow. Shallow is the opposite of deep. Where shallow water was there, Prasant was moving that way. At places it was waist deep and progress was slow. And at some places Prasant found on his way that the water level was up to his waist and it was increasing. At several points he lost the road and had to swim, and at many places he had left the road and he had to swim on his way. After some distance he was relieved to find two friends of his uncle who were also returning to his village. They decided to move ahead together. Now after covering some distance, he had met two friends of his uncle who decided to go with him to his village. as they waded through the water. Waded means moved. Waded means moved. As the two friends of his uncle and he and many more may be there, they moved forward through water. As they waded through the water, the scene they witnessed grew more and more macabre. Macabre means frightful. He saw that the scene that he had seen, it was very frightful, it was very fearful. They had to push away many human bodies, men, women, children, and carcasses of dogs, goats, and cattle that are current swept against them as they moved ahead. Students, they had to move the dead bodies of human beings and the dead body of animals on his way to get way to move forward. Yes. Now, in every village that they passed, they could barely see a house standing. Prashant now wept out loud and long. He was sure that his family could not have survived this catastrophe. Catastrophe, disaster. Catastrophe means disaster. Prashant was very sad and he began to weep. He thought that in this disaster he would not be able to meet his family members. See the next paragraph. Eventually, Prashant reached his village, Kaliguda. His heart went cold, and eventually, at last, Prashant reached his village, Kaliguda, name of his village, and his heart went cold. He was sad. Where their home once stood, he saw that his house was standing. There were only remnants of its roof, and only there was the remains of his roof. Remains. The roof of his house was there, and some of their belongings were cut, mangled means damaged, and his belongings, materials were damaged. Whatever there in the house, they were damaged and twisted in the branches of trees just visible above the dark waters. He saw that some belongings of his house were cut in the trees. Young Prashant decided to go to the Red Cross shelter to look for his family. There was shelter made by Red Cross Society, and Prashant wanted to go there and find out the family members whether they were there or not. Among the first people he saw in the crowd was his maternal grandmother, and when he went there he saw that his maternal grandmother was seen weak with hunger, and she was looking very weak with hunger. As she rushed to him, her hands outstretched, and his maternal grandmother stretched her hand to meet Prashant. Her eyes brimming, her eyes were filled with water. It was a miracle. They had long given him up for dead. As it was a miracle because his maternal grandmother and other family members had thought that Prashant might have been washed away with the current of water. He might have died. Quickly word spread and his extended family gathered around him and hugged him tight in relief. But soon after that, his family members were seen and they came and hugged him tightly. Hugged, embraced. Embraced to caught in arms. They hugged Prashant tight. Prashant anxiously scanned the motley battered. Motley is disparate, battered group, no longer looking old group. He found the old family members again, and sister, his brother, sister, his uncle, aunts, they all seemed to be there. He found all family members were alive. He met his brother, sister, uncle, aunt, and all of them whosoever there in his family, and they were happy to get Prashant, to find Prashant. Students, in this way, I have taught you up to this part that Prashant, the young man, had gone to meet his friend 18 kilometers away from his house, and he wanted to stay there for some days, and all of a sudden in the evening, a super cyclone came that destroyed the lives of human beings, animals, and it had destroyed the trees and houses. Many lives had passed away, and 2 days after spending there 2 days, he returned his house, his village, and he suffered a lot, but at last he met his family members. Students, further what happened, I will teach you another day. Thank you.